Good morning, traders. It's Monday, March 30th at 4:27 a.m. All right, let's trade this melting market. We have news today, 10:30. Put a vertical line on your chart. Fed Chair Powell's speech. That might impact the market as well. We've been in a severe downtrend, and it looks like it might continue. Let's see what actually happens, and we'll trade it all today. We got the SPY, and we got the QQQ. So let's go ahead and have a look. So the SPY here on the right-hand side, we'll move this over a little bit. We can see this massive distribution pattern, and what I have is the largest dark pool trades, or the largest block trades in the last 30 days. So when we come up here, you can just see that this is massive selling. 10.8 million shares, billions of dollars right here, pulled back, tagged the print, moved back, increased distribution here, 6 million, 3 million, 7 million, 10 million, whatever. And so we've pulled back to my 200 simple, 200 exponential, tested that, moved lower. We're below the 250 simple moving average. And so we closed off Friday down here at 634.09. We've got a little bit of a bounce back. So when we have this, and you can see this, we've been riding the 4 and the 8 exponential moving average all the way down. And so what can happen is we can move up and test this again. Let's see if this actually holds. So the 4 exponential moving average around 641. 77, so 642, 643 area up to this 250 simple moving average is 642.21 at the moment. This can be resistance. So we've got this breakdown. We see if we can retest the 4 exponential moving average and then potentially roll over. But then we do have that news as well. So with this moving on the downside, where would we swing? We can probably come all the way back down here to about 620. So let's see what's happening. The ATR on the SPY is about $10.41 right now. So when you're in these trades and it's moving, the ATR for the day can be potentially $10. That's what it has been doing historically, which is the average over the last 14 days of trading. So we are going to be bullish above 640.25. Let's get above this right here, 640.25. I got my 200 simple, 200 exponential, and so that's a bit of a mess. We're going to go 640.25. Then we've got 642, 643.66, 645.22 is 4.9 million, 646.17 is R2, 648.10 is 7.4 million. Then I've got 650, 652.50, and 655.73 is R3. So if we can close above this 650 area here, we might be able to get up to this 656, 658 back into these and see if we can test that. And be careful of the rollover, because this is a very bearish market. So what's actually happening is when you have rallies, you sell into the rally and people are taking profit. Okay, on the downside, we're going to be bearish below 636.50. Let's get below this pivot. We got a double pivot in cam here, and so we need to close below. So break, retest, move down. Now some of these pivots are a little tighter. They're $1 or so away. 635.84, 634.97 here, and then we've got 634, 633.21. Now this is getting into the post market where we just sat around this level. Mind that 632.34, 631.46, 630.58 is S1. And then we've got 628.83, 627.06. Then we've got 624.52, 620, 617.51. That's, we've got that news today, and it's good if you just have that mapped out just in case on that. So it looks like we're trying to hold. Let's see if we get in through this mess, and then we'll have a clear break, retest, and moving up if that actually is the case. Let's go ahead and look at the QQQs. Similar sort of story here. We've got massive selling here. And then we're just back down here. This is a 400 simple moving average here around 547.50. And so we've got a similar sort of situation if we can get up to the 4, 571, or up to the 8, 578, and then maybe test some prints here. So let's go ahead and look at this on the intraday. We're going to be bullish above 566 right here. Target 567, 567.78, 568.54. And mind this 200 simple, 200 exponential as well. It looks like it's getting a little bit of momentum. Look at this volume here. Could be maybe some profit taking or just moving up just to sell again. 568.54, we talked about that. 570, 572.05, 574.51, and then we've got 580. I stopped at 580, but then there's 583.96. The ATR here is 1076, so it's about the same as the SPY as well. We're going to be bearish below 564. We've got this cam and this pivot. It's a little tight there to get in and make, 75 cents or whatever the deal is on the first profit taking. But then 563.45, 561.71. Down here, that's a 50 simple moving average as well. 560.85, 559.98, 559.09, and this 559.98, that's the post market. So 559.05, 557.38, 555.61, 553.11 is a cam, 550 and 546.16 is S3. All right, there you have it. Those are your 2 trade setups for today. So please like, share, subscribe, all of that stuff. Trading these institutional levels is massive when you have massive runs like this as well. Knowing where the institutions are positioned, they provide the support and resistance as well. So yeah, and follow us. Our Dark Pool newsletter went out again on Sunday. So mobyticktrading.com/weekly-report. First name, email address, you'll get that. And if you subscribe during the week, you'll get the previous one as well, so you can get caught up with what we're trading. All right, happy trading, everyone, and we'll see you later. Take care. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.